Dear teacher and classmates, my name is Alvaro Ortiz. I am from Medellin, Colombia, but I have been living in the city of Rochester, New York, for 1 year ago. I live with my family formed by my wife and my 2 children, Maria Camila and Miguel Angel, both teenagers. The New York City, it is known by the Statue of Liberty, but in this case, I will speak of one of the most important monuments for me, not only for its beauty, but its meaning, since it was made to commemorate one of the saddest episodes that this nation faced. In August 2, 2006, the foundation of the World Trade Center Memorial Monument and the Port Authority of the New York and New Jersey initiated the construction of the National September 11 Memorial and Museum. The center is located on the site of the World Trade Center, in the same location of the destroyed Twin Towers during the attacks of September 11 in 2001. The winner of the design of the competition of the World Trade Center site memorial was the Israeli-American architect Michael Arad of Handel Architects, a firm of San Francisco and New York. Arad worked with landscape architecture firms Peter Walker and Perner in designing what they call forests of trees, with 2 pools in the center of the foundation where the Twin Towers once stood. The World Trade Center Memorial Foundation changed its name to National September 11 Memorial and Museum at the World Trade Center in 2007. Thank you so much.